Another literature review or study that relates to my research was an article called An Examination of the Relationship Between Online Class Size and Instructor Performance. This study focuses on looking at how class size affects teacher performance, and this was actually done on online instructors. And in this article, they focus on how the larger the class size is, the harder it is for the teacher to perform to his or her full potential due to the fact that there are so many students. In turn, students lose that quality one-on-one time, one-on-one instruction. They can't receive the proper feedback that they may get in a smaller class setting. Therefore, I use this article to show how class size also affects teachers, which in turn, of course, affects the students with instructional supports.